Hey, Kevin here, your Ninja Proxy guide. Show you how to integrate Ninja Proxy with different types of services. So the one that we're going to do today is the Dolphin anty browser. So let's check it out. All right, so you'll have to have the Dolphin anty browser installed here, and we'll go ahead and launch it. You'll have to log in. We've already pre-logged in here. So this is incredibly easy to get started here. So once you have this loaded, over here on the left-hand side, you have proxies. You will say add a proxy. Here you have a quick input, and with NinjaProxy, we give you that information. So let's head over to our browser. So inside of the portal, you can have download list with credentials. So we will do that. We'll go ahead and open that with text edit. You can copy this. So basically this has your username, password at the IP, the port. We will switch back over to Dolphin anty. You can take that and hit paste. Goes ahead and adds that all in here. If you want to, you could type in like Resi1 or something to remind you of which proxy this is. And you say add proxy. And that is how easy it is to add a proxy. You can add it to a profile. So if we go over to a profile that we've already created, we can hit edit. We say saved proxies here. You can drop down, select Resi, so that that profile uses our newly added NinjaProxy proxy. And that's as easy as it gets. That's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@ninjasproxy.com and we'll get you handled. Take care. Have a good day.